How to get the Threads application on your tablets or your iPads. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using a tablet or iPad and want to install the Threads app, then it is available for both Android and iOS through their official app stores. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store or App Store depending upon your operating system. Now go to the search icon from the bottom center and in the search bar at the top type in Threads and search. Look for the Threads application from Instagram and tap on Install. Wait until the application installs on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application installs, tap on Open and there you have it. That's how you get the Threads app installed on your tablets or your iPads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.